Hi, crafty fam. How are you today? So today I'm on sweat this one yesterday. We are gonna paint and flower line the pumpkin. So I'm gonna start by painting this pumpkin. So I have this nice orange, like pastel colored, and I'm gonna nip this pastel orange and just paint it. So that's what we're doing today, Crafty Fam. Let's get started. So I already put my base coat color. Oh, it looks so cool. Alright. So I'm painting the pumpkin to be fall decoration for my room. So, yeah. What is your favorite fall activity? One of mine is doing pumpkin painting or coloring and going to the horn main. What is your favorite fall or Halloween activity you do? So I'm just trying to paint this as evenly as possible. This will show you like a go. And I found the pumpkin to paint at Target. So if you want to do the class too, go to Target to see if they still have the pumpkin at your Target or any craft store. They were pretty cheap at Target though. Ta-da! I have the first coat of this pumpkin done. So I'm gonna let this dry while I start the other pumpkin. Yeah. So now I have that drying. This other white pumpkin almost done. So I think what I'm gonna do is paint the tip before I finish. So let me grab a smaller paintbrush. Be right back. Hello. So I think I'm gonna do one of each. So I'm gonna start with this one. I'm just gonna use this white pasta pen to like dip the color in and then like, yeah, just color it that way. on the paint and hallway, but now I am gonna take the flower paint in the pumpkin, and I have my little cane, hey boo. I'm gonna take my flower paint. I think I'm gonna do it one at a time. So that way, yeah, I cut this out beforehand. Like so. And now I'm gonna place it in the front like so. I'm gonna rub it like so. Really quickly do it on the it backwards on camera, but it's this way, not this way. Now let me just rub it on like so. I'll be right back with the finished product. So here is the finished product of this one. Now I have just the thin part of this. Now I'm going to take Mod Podge, man muscle. I'm going to coat this pumpkin fully with Mod Podge. Like so. Now, all I'm going to do, I'm going to gently, rub against it, and hold it in weird way. If I add more Mod Podge when I need to, like so. Now I'm going to just gently a little brindle. I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to carefully fold it upward. Like so. And trim any extra pieces. I don't want that, honestly. I'm just going to flatten that down behind my hand. So messy. because they'll be super cute. So, like so. And I'm going to finish this other side like that, and I'll be right back to outro this video. So, here is the finished product. Okay, blue. Super cute. And this one will still have to dry, but you'll see the finished thing in the thumbnail. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below what design are you doing on your pumpkin this year. And please hit that big red button down there if you enjoy DIY or lifestyle videos. And hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video every Friday. And hope you guys have a great week. Bye, Crafty fam!